Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get a free intro and outro and to your channel. So let's get started. First of all, go go to the first link in the description. It should take you to this website called Panzoid. So you could choose your intro or outro, like choose your template. So I'm just gonna use this one. So once you choose it, you could open in the clip maker, and as you can see here, you could see the preview. I'm just gonna mute it so I don't get copyrighted. So this is the preview. So of the intro. Okay. So usually you could. So this is a subscribe intro. Let me show another intro. Like actually, let's do an outro. So over here is an outro. You could zoom out. So you could, as you can see up here, this is where you're supposed to put your name. Question is, how do you put your name there? Well, I got the answer. You have to go to this button with the cube on it, click it, go down until you see, you have to see, look for the text. So I could put in my name here. You could type whatever you want, whatever your name is, like Jerry, whatever. I'm gonna just do Max. So as you can see, it changed to Max. And let's put this back. I didn't mean to do that. So now there's text there. You could also do other text. So like that's at the bottom. You would change it. I'm gonna say subscribe to game. Subscribe to Game with Max YT. So, and you can see a preview. So I'm mute myself again. So this is the, yeah, this is the outro preview. So I'm just gonna do pause it. And you could also do other effects like position, rotation, shake or shake speed, and you could also change the speed. So you want an intro that's not too long and not too short at the same time. So I'm gonna do like 15. I keep on saying intro, but it could be both. I'm gonna do 15 for now. So now it will last for 15 seconds. As you see here, seconds. Boom. Okay. You could also add effects. You could change the color. Do this. You could also add your own music. So you could do this. Like you could select an audio file and put it in here, and then you have your own music. Once you think you're done, you could go down to this with the arrow pointing to this line. So here you could is where you download it. You could choose which one, like the quality. So this is the fastest render, which means it's the lowest, balance, good quality, and extreme quality. I recommend doing good quality, or you could just choose. I usually do good quality on my intros, so I'm going to do that. Format, just keep it like that. Or you could change it, I don't know, because I just keep the format. So once you think you're ready, click start video render. And it will take a while. So yeah, it will take like a little while, like a minute or two for it to download. So you just gotta like wait while it does its thing. So we'll be right back when it's done. Alright, so once it's done downloading, this will pop up. So you could download your video, return to editing. I would download the video, and it will tell you to click this button at the bottom. the intro will pop out. So that's all for today's video. Please subscribe and comment down below if this helped. And see you guys next time.